Hey everybody, welcome back to RC Microverse. Today is going to be kind of a short video as I've kind of failed a lot with this one. I've had this microcrawler that I've been trying to build for about 3 weeks now. Just going through the history of it, ordered wrong parts, this and that and other things. Trying to figure out how to put together, finding time to do it was a big hassle. I've got a stack of links, whole bag of links, because I've ordered like every link imaginable just to try and find what I want on this crawler. And now the whole thing is mostly trash, and I'll explain why. So currently on these crawler, I have stripped out and broken off screws in both of the front lower shock mount locations on the aluminum axles. So on both sides, on the front axle, there is a screw broken off in there. I've tried to drill it out. All I ended up doing was stabbing my finger with the drill, which kind of sucked. But that's not the end of it. I went over and I put the body on. I got all the electronics mounted. I said, okay, I'll just get some new axles and we'll start over. And then I started playing with the rear shock locations, and thusly I have broken one of those off in the axle as well. So is this just an expensive mistake? Don't use Loctite on aluminum axles for a microcrawler. Make sure you're using the right screws. Don't force anything. But otherwise, oh, and the other problem I had with this is I ordered short links for a long drive line, which delayed my process. But altogether, eventually I'm going to get this done. It's just costing me almost twice as much as I would want. Because as you know, those custom aluminum axles are not cheap. So, needless to say, do a little more research before you start your project. Make sure you know what you're doing. Don't use Loctite on your microcrawlers. And have fun with your build. So just as a quick closing clip, yes, I do plan to finish the build. I do have more axles coming. I ordered purple axles again, since I know not to use Loctite, and I will get this set up. And one thing I plan on doing here in the pretty soon future is I am going to be building an indoor custom crawler course here in my RC space. I think that's gonna, and I think I'm planning to try a couple of different techniques and see what works and what doesn't. Anyway, I can't wait to get this custom crawler done. RC Microverse company vehicle. All right, have a good day.